And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Caribbean Cement Company Limited is assuring customers that the quality issues with a batch of imported cement will be addressed within the coming days.
It comes amid complaints from a St. Mary-based hardware of skin and other health issues from contact with the imported cement.
Krista Campbell has our report.
The Jamaican cement has never been in a condition like this.
Leon Grant is CEO at St. Mary-based hardware Skymar. He shows us bags of cement which he says are affecting operations at his business place. Workers complain about health issues.
It's not like the original Carib cement. This is totally different. The contents of it I don't know what it have in it that our cement does not have. But if you touch it with your hand, with your natural hand, it burns. If it catches skin, it just keep burning you. And a lot of my workers, sometimes they handle it, they can't come to work the next day.
I have to wear a mask because it let me sneeze a lot. Sneeze a lot, yes. Dust coming from the skin let me sneeze a lot. And the skin, when the cement rub off on my skin, sometimes it burns when I have to scratch. I have to scratch like that. And even when I go home sometimes, I still have to scratch, and it left a lot of scars on me.
Health issues aside, the CEO says the bad cement is also burning holes in his pockets.
We're losing a lot of money because I would say more than 10% of it is lost in the bottom of the container that we receive it in. So we're losing a lot of money and we have to repackage it. We have a lot of busted bag and loose cement when it gets to the bottom. So we have to purchase bags from the feed company, and the guys have to repackage it.
Now, when contacted, the Consumer Affairs Commission said it had not received any complaints of any quality issues with imported cement, but would investigate. But why was the cement imported in the first place? Caribbean Cement Company Limited told TVJ News it was to temporarily supplement the local supply because production was on the decline as a result of expansion work on the kiln which makes the cement. Carib Cement says the $40 million work is almost completed and will allow the company to better meet local demands for cement. Meanwhile, Carib Cement says it is working to address the concerns about the quality of the imported cement. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.